Dear the Baskerville family, my name is Leah, and I am one of the 31 kids that you sent to Shattuck. I just want to say thank you so much for sending me here. I am having so much fun, and I hope I can come back next year. I really appreciate what you did for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
And so you can. All right, I'll give a little bit. I'll give a little bit of my life for you. So give a little bit. Oh, give a little bit of your time to me. See the man with the lonely eyes. Oh, take his hand. You'll be surprised. Oh, take it. Come along.
Dear Baskerville family, my name is Santino and I came with Chica from the Blaisdell YMCA. I was in the Y-Start program, which was really fun. That's what this camp is all about. What I really liked is science and engineering because I'm good at it and I like using my hands to do things. Second thing is writing that I like to do. The teacher is really nice and I wish he was my school teacher. Another thing I liked was bowling because I really like bowling, but I'm not so good. Thank you so much for funding us. I hope you do it again next year.